I want to talk about my Camp Chef Dutch oven. I've had this for a few years and I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of pretty much anything cast iron, and I've used this quite a lot. A couple of my favorite features, the lid is flanged, so if you want to do something like beans where you bury them underground, yeah, you have that option. The lid you can see right there is heavy duty. One thing I've done is just take the lid, put it in a bed of coals, let it warm up, and you can cook steaks right on the lid. And it's a solid construction. I mean, this thing is heavy. If you're running short on barbells, you could use this for a little workout. And I've used this for all different kinds of applications, not just outdoors and camping, but around the house. I've done plenty of pot roast and such in it. Recently, it was St. Patrick's holiday, and I get together a nice corned beef brisket and cooked it up in there, and it came out phenomenal. You can see right there, there's a lot of room to put a lot of meat and a lot of vegetables. We filled it right up, and it fed our entire crew. And this does come pre-seasoned, but you want to make sure to take care of it. If you take good care of this pan, you're going to have it for a long time. If you're in the market for a great cast iron Dutch oven, please click on the link in the description below.